Hello, how are you? Where are you from? Where are you from?
You don't have audio. You don't have audio.
Okay, I am from Bangladesh. Do you know my country?
Audio.
Do you know
You
my
don't have
country
audio.
Bangladesh? Do you
I
know my
cannot
country
hear you.
Bangladesh? Why are you laughing?
Sorry.
Why are you laughing?
Sorry. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear
This is
you.
Zakaria Hossain from Bangladesh. Okay.
Send games, please. I don't have games, please. I don't have games.
So, what are you doing? Are you taking rest?
Oh, Zakaria.
Yeah, of
Oh,
course. Are you
Zakaria.
taking rest?
Hear you.
Are you taking
Cannot
rest?
hear you. You don't
Oh,
have
okay.
audio.
How do you pass your how do you pass your daily life? How do you pass?
Hello, Shanima. Hello.
How do you spend your pastimes, leisure times? How do you spend free time, leisure time?
Zakaria, you don't have. I cannot see you. Audio. I cannot see you.
I have already followed you. I have already followed you. I have already followed you. You can follow me. Yeah, of course. You can follow me. Are you Philippines? Are you Filipina?
What do you want? Sign language? What do
Your
you want?
country
Sign
Philippines.
language? I cannot hear you.
In front of you,
I
you
cannot
are watching a globe.
Where you from? Where you from? Where you from? Where you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
I cannot see.
Are you?
Cannot
I am from
see.
Bangladesh. Are you? Philippines. Philippines.
I cannot hear you, sorry. I cannot hear you, sorry.
Actually,
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking
Philippines.
about.
Your country Philippines. Are you sure?
Hello?
Are you sure?
Hello?
Why are you laughing? Again and again. Why are you laughing? So, actually, you are very funny. Funny.
Audio.
I think that you are very funny. Funny person. Funny. Actually, funny. So, this is my country, Bangladesh.
Okay, I'm from Philippines.
Philippines.
Okay, I'm from Philippines.
How have I said? How have I said about you?
You can hear me?
It is possible
You can hear
because
me?
your appearance look like an Filipina. Actually, I have decided to watch or to see your appearance. Actually, I have taken idea. Sure, 100% sure. So, however, what time is it now? What time? What time is it now, friend?
I didn't understand you. I didn't understand you. I cannot hear you.
Here in my country, Bangladesh, 5 p.m. in the afternoon. 5 p.m. Actually, are you a student? Do you study? Study?
Just send.
Oh,
Just send.
sentiments. Have you completed higher education? Have you completed higher education?
So you're from Bangladesh? So you're
Yeah,
from
of course.
Bangladesh. I am right.
Oh, okay. I
am
have.
right. Thumbs up.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Thumbs up.
Have you taken idea that I am Bengali? Have you taken idea?
Ang loko-loko.
Actually, after watching you, I have taken 100%
Walang sinasabi mo.
surety you are a Filipina girl. You are a Filipina girl actually because your appearance look like Filipina or Filipino woman actually. So
Okay, bye.
Okay, see you
Bye.
again next day. We will meet sometime.
Bye bye.
In selected time, we will meet in PK. Okay?
One more time.
Yeah, okay.
One
Have you
more
understood?
time.
Okay. See you again.
Okay, one more time.
Have a good
Okay,
day.
one more time.
Bye
I
bye.
have audio.
Bye
You
bye.
don't have audio. I cannot hear you.
Clearly,
I cannot hear
you should take. You should use. You should
fix
use
your
your
signal. Your signal.
audio. Okay.
To fix it so that I can hear you. Fix it.
Okay.
I can hear you. Understand you. I do not
Ah.
understand you.
Sure.
Nothing. Bye bye. Nothing.
Bye bye. Okay.
You fix first your earphone.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay.